Hi there, welcome back. My name is Mark and this is my BMW, and this is the reason why we have no video this week. We do have a video. Like I said, small update because I'm still working on the car and I haven't done enough to give you a proper video. But I've been working trying to get these two out of the car. These hook bolts hold the window in its place. You're gonna see that next week, I promise. But to get this out, to replace it with this, 8 hours. 8 hours I spent on those bolts. And the reason why it took so long is you don't want the glass to shatter. I am afraid. Yes, now we have to wait for new bolts. Okay. So I'm so sorry for that part. That means no video. Yeah, like I said, no video. That's why. Thank you for watching. See you again next time. Hey, goodbye. Kidding. No. I mean it. No video. Nope. Nada. I'm gonna continue work tonight, tomorrow, and the day after. Then this little piece of baby is healthy again. Don't worry. I'll be back.